This video guides you through replacing the key fob battery in 2022-2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz models. It's a simple DIY task that saves time and money. No design changes or recalls affect the battery compartment. These models use a CR2032 battery. The process takes less than 5 minutes and costs around $5 to $10. Your key fob serves as a remote transmitter, sending wireless signals to control your Hyundai Santa Cruz. It handles locking and unlocking doors, starting the vehicle, and activating the panic alarm. The key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This battery provides the power needed for all wireless signals, including locking, unlocking, vehicle start, and panic alarm activation. The battery typically lasts 1 to 2 years. Frequent remote starts and extreme temperatures can shorten this lifespan by increasing power usage. Inside the key fob, you'll find a circuit board that connects the battery to the antenna and buttons. This setup enables the wireless transmission of signals. The 2022 and 2023 models use plastic clips to hold the fob together, while some 2024 models include a small screw for added security. For replacing the key fob battery in your Hyundai Santa Cruz, you'll need a few essential tools. First, a new CR2032 battery. This is the standard 3-volt lithium coin cell battery that powers the fob. Second, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Use plastic to prevent scratches on the fob casing. Third, non-conductive tools are important to avoid static discharge that could damage the electronics. Fourth, a small Phillips head screwdriver for models with screws. Some kits include this for added security. No soldering is required for this replacement. These tools make the process quick and safe. If your key fob includes a physical key blade, remove it first by pressing the release button on the fob. For key fobs with a screw, locate the small screw on the back of the fob and carefully remove it using a screwdriver. Using a flat tool, like a pry tool or credit card, gently insert it into the seam of the fob casing. Carefully pry the two halves apart, working slowly around the edges. Once the fob is open, be careful not to touch the battery or its contacts directly to avoid causing a short circuit. The battery compartment is now exposed for replacement. First, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery from the fob. Note the polarity. The positive side with the plus sign faces up in most Hyundai key fobs. Next, check for corrosion on the battery contacts. If present, gently clean them with a dry cloth to ensure good electrical contact. Now insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive terminal faces up to match the fob's design. Double-check the polarity before placing it in. Finally, verify that the battery is seated flat and securely in the compartment. Give it a gentle press to ensure proper contact before snapping the fob back together. First, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Ensure the buttons and key blade are positioned correctly. Snap the halves back together firmly but gently. If your fob has a screw, reinsert it and tighten gently. Now test the key fob by pressing the buttons. Look for the LED light to flash with each press. The car should respond by locking or unlocking the doors. Pairing is not typically needed after a battery change. If you encounter fob not opening easily, try different pry points around the seam. Use a plastic tool to avoid scratches. If you encounter battery polarity errors, double-check the plus and minus markings on the battery and contacts. If you encounter fob not working after replacement, ensure battery is new and contacts are clean. Wipe with a dry cloth if needed. If you encounter persistent issues, consult Hyundai dealership if problems continue, especially under first-year warranty. This ensures proper service and potential warranty coverage. If you encounter cold weather impact, extreme cold can reduce battery life. Keep spares in the vehicle. Store the fob in a warmer location when possible. To wrap up, here's a quick recap of the key steps for replacing your Hyundai Santa Cruz key fob battery. Open the fob using clips or screw, remove the old CR2032 battery, insert a new one with correct polarity, then close and test. Always recycle old batteries properly according to environmental guidelines to prevent landfill waste and protect the planet. Looking ahead, future trends include longer-lasting or rechargeable batteries, app-based low battery alerts through Hyundai app updates, and battery-free key fobs in upcoming models based on Hyundai patents. However, for 2022-2024 Santa Cruz owners, Manual battery replacements will continue to be the standard practice.